Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can watch YouTube videos while using other apps on Android. So the first step you simply need to do is to open YouTube and search for any video. So I'm going to search for a nature video. So let me select any video. So here is, you can see I select a video and here is an ad. So let me close this ad, and this is also an ad. So okay, let me show you how you can see. So here you can see that I easily enjoy YouTube while using my Gmail or any other app. So how you can use YouTube like this? So you need to subscribe to the YouTube Premium. So once you have YouTube Premium, you can enjoy YouTube like this with other apps. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.